Kit template is a standard design that can be used over and over again. So if we have a look at a template that we've already got, so if I amend it, first of all, the kit needs to be built around a stock code in Sage 200. So a stock code must exist to build the kit around it. I can, if I want to, add a labor and a material cost overhead to that kit, so it'll be included in the cost. What I then effectively do is add components to that kit. So any stock code, including a miscellaneous item, can be added to any kit. So I just identify the item it is and the quantity. So I've built my kit. What you can't add to a kit is a free text line. And also the kitting doesn't use the units of measure calculations that Sage has in place. So it's a one-to-one relationship with a stocked code. You can also have traceable finished kits and also traceable components within those kits. So when you're allocating any components to a kit, it will also ask you the batch or serial number information.